Hello and welcome to Unlock Life. You are listening to our Take It Easy series, which is made just for seniors. We hope you like it. In this episode, we will see how to use Google Maps. Open Google Maps and tap on Search here. Type the place that you are looking for example, airport. Now, tap on directions. You will see that we have different routes and time durations for different modes of transport. Select the transport accordingly. For example, car. Tap on start and you will be directed further accordingly.
Head southeast.
Tap on recenter in the bottom left if you get lost. If you want to change the destination, tap on exit in the bottom right. You can then change the location according to your preferences. Then simply repeat the whole process. With the help of Google Maps, you can go anywhere without needing to ask anyone. And that's all for today. We hope this was helpful. You can download our app for more such tips. Download link is in the description below. Our app also provides assistance for any need seniors may have. Our library has a huge collection of music, videos, games, and many more for seniors. You can also join our exclusive social club for seniors to socialize, discover, and enjoy. You can call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411. Thank you and see you again soon.